Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. My name is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's topic is how to fix WhatsApp backup problem. See, this problem can be caused by various reasons, like you might haven't selected any Google account for backup your WhatsApp data in your Android device, or your device would be asking for Wi-Fi network to backup your chats. It can also be happen that you might forgot your WhatsApp to update, or you might uninstall it and then again install it. You should also check that your backup to Google Drive settings must not be on never. Now, after discussing the reasons of WhatsApp backup problem, let us get to the solution and know how you can fix WhatsApp backup problem. So, I'm gonna tell you solutions according to the reasons. According to reason 1, that you might haven't selected any Google account for backup your WhatsApp data. What you have to do is that tap on chats, then tap on chat backup, then tap on Google account and select any Google account in which you want to backup your data. Reason 2, asking for Wi-Fi network to backup your chats. Now what you have to do is either you can connect to Wi-Fi network for it, or you can turn on this button backup using cellular. This will start backing up your data through your mobile network. Reason 3, forgot to update. This is very simple. Just go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp and restart your device. Let's get to reason 4, WhatsApp must not be on never. Your backup to Google Drive settings in WhatsApp should not be on never. Just tap on it and select any of the frequency to backup your data in Google Drive. You can select daily, weekly or monthly according to your preference. After implementing those settings according to your reason, in the end what you have to do is tap on backup and that's it. If all this doesn't work for you, then now I will give you a universal solution that will work for everyone. Just go into mobile settings, tap on app management, then tap on app list, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, go into WhatsApp chat settings, tap on backup using cellular, select any other Google account to backup your data, and finally tap on backup and you are done. Your WhatsApp backup problem is fixed now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.